Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do gel encapsulation with our dip powder. So if you're interested in seeing how that turns out, keep watching. We're going to use the iGel 3D Cat Eye gel polishes to do this. So I picked up 4 new colors from iGel and I made another order to get these, and I'm not ordering anymore, so hopefully I can stick to that this time. I've got these 4 colors and we're going to use the second color from the left. I think it's called Maldives. I'm not too sure. So as I usually do, I'm going to start by doing a dip of clear. I'm going to do a quick stripe down the middle of my nail, dip that in clear just to add some strength to the rest of my nail. And to build up the rest of my nail, I'm actually going to use iGel's Winter White, which is that clear-ish, sheer-ish, milky white. And that's what I'm using under the gel, and I actually end up leaving it on a few of my nails. Alright, so here is that winter white I was talking about. I just grabbed it, and same method. I'm just doing a little bit more coverage on the nail each time I dip. So after doing all my coats of the winter white, I went ahead and activated as normal. And then I went ahead and shaped them and filed them, and I didn't buff them too much. I wanted to make sure it was still kind of rough. The surface of my nail was still kind of rough, so that way when I did the gel polish, it kind of had something to stick to since I wasn't doing a base. So after all that and doing my other hand, I use this magnet that iGel sent with their cat eye polishes, and if you buy 3 or more cat eye polishes, they'll send you a free magnet. So I got that. And then I went ahead and just did a gel application as normal and just made sure to cover my entire nail. The cool thing about using gel polishes is that they don't dry unless you cure them in a lamp. So if you kind of get it on your skin or make a mistake, it's easy to just wipe it off with a toothpick or whatever. And then I grabbed the magnet and I placed it at an angle just like that, at a diagonal. and just left it over my nail for a couple seconds and cured that. I felt like it needed a second layer because it was just not quite as opaque as I wanted it, so I did the same exact step. I painted it and then I placed the magnet in the same diagonal, and then I cured that. And if you noticed, I used the magnet and then I repainted it. So the cool thing about these gel polishes is if you mess up or if you don't like the design, you just paint the nail again and then you can kind of start over because it won't stay with that design until you cure it. So after I cured the second coat of gel polish, I wiped off that tacky layer and I grabbed my clear dip powder from OPI and I just kind of clear capped as normal. I just applied my base to the entire nail and I made sure to cap the free edge. And I did notice that this takes a little bit longer to dry when you put it on top of gel polish than if you were normally dipping. So just make sure to wait a little bit longer than you normally would before you brush off the excess powder. So after I applied a coat of activator and waited a few minutes, I buffed the nail with my Polar Block from Sally Beauty just to make the surface smoother so that way when I apply my dip top coat, it applies nice and smooth. So I did the same process as always. After buffing, I did another layer of activator. I'm not too sure if that was necessary. I feel like I probably could have gotten away with not doing that step, but just to be on the safe side, I still did that. I waited a couple minutes and then I wiped off the excess and then I went in with my dip top coat. You want to make sure to cover the entire nail with your dip top coat and especially cap the free edge. I haven't done this before, but I feel like if this gel was going to peel, it would peel at the free edge. So I just made sure to cover that really well with both top coat layers. And after a few minutes it dried and it was super shiny. It looked like I didn't even do anything different. And here is both of my nails done. You can see that they're still pretty shiny. I feel like the clear cap didn't take away from the shine at all. And now my dogs are barking, probably at the mailman. I did a stripe design on my thumb, and on the other two fingers I did that diagonal with this iGel Beauty magnet, just holding over the polish for a couple seconds and you'll get that design. And so I really liked it. Let me know if you guys try it out. I'm going to try and keep it on for a while and see if it lasts just as long as a regular dip. I finished off with some cuticle oil, and my favorite part about this method is that you still get that solid feeling to your nails, and you can hear the sound when I tap on my nails right here. It still sounds the same as if we had done the regular dip method and not changed any steps. So hopefully this lasts just as long. If you like this video, please let me know. If you have any requests, let me know, because I don't really have any, but I noticed I've actually gotten some subscribers, so let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.